Lombardy. A land rich in charm, culture, history, and natural beauty. The imposing mountains, enchanting lakes, art cities, green hills, ancient villages, and culinary traditions make Lombardy a unique and unforgettable place. In this video, we will take you on a journey to discover the most evocative and characteristic locations in Lombardy. We will travel amidst the colors of Lake Como and Lake Garda, through the breathtaking landscapes of Sirmione and Varenna, and explore the bustling streets of art cities such as Milan, Bergamo, and Pavia. Through the images we will show you, you will be immersed in the beauty of these enchanting places and feel transported to a magical and captivating world. Get ready for an exciting journey that will reveal the wonders of Lombardy and leave you speechless. Milan. The city pulsating with energy and life, where art, history, fashion, and business converge in a symphony of colors and sounds. Its beauty will captivate you instantly as you walk through the city streets, admiring the ancient palaces lining the tree-lined avenues or strolling through the artistic district of Brera with its art galleries and historic cafes. The heart of Milan is represented by the majestic Duomo, the white marble Gothic cathedral that dominates the square of the same name with its spires and statues. Inside the Duomo, you will be transported to a world of art and history, with its polychrome windows, mosaics, and sculptures. Milan is also the home of Teatro alla Scala, the temple of Italian opera, where the finest voices in the world have performed and continue to do so. But Milan is also the city of fashion and design, with its high-end fashion stores, flea markets, and boutiques of emerging designers. You can stroll along the shop windows of the most exclusive streets like Via Monte Napoleone and Via della Spiga, or get lost among the stalls of the Porta Genova market, where you'll find vintage clothing and art and craft objects. In summary, Milan is a city that will never cease to surprise you, with its timeless beauty, creative energy, and zest for life. Lake Como. One of the most picturesque Italian lakes, it is a place of rare beauty where emerald green water merges with mountains and historic villas, creating a unique and magical atmosphere. The lake is surrounded by picturesque towns that offer breathtaking views, including Bellagio, Varenna, Menaggio, and Tremezzo, with their elegant historic villas, botanical gardens, and parks such as Villa Carlotta and Villa Balbianello, which overlook the lake's shores. From every corner of the lake, you can admire a spectacular panorama, with snow-capped mountains reflecting in the crystal-clear water, cypress trees standing on the hills, and sailing boats gliding through the waves. The lake is perfect for outdoor activities such as hiking, walking, cycling, and water sports like kayaking and sailing. But even just sitting by the lake's shore, watching the sunset and breathing in the fresh mountain air is an experience that will leave you breathless. In summary, Lake Como is a charming place where the beauty of nature blends with culture and history, creating an unforgettable experience for all who visit. Bergamo. A city with 1,000 facets, located between the Alps and the Lombard Plains, it is a city rich in history, culture, and beauty. The historic center, Città Alta, is a medieval gem with its ancient walls, stone buildings, and centuries-old churches, including the Bergamo Cathedral with its Baroque facade and the Baptistry of San Giovanni with its medieval frescoes. The city is also known for its beautiful museums, such as the Galleria dell'Accademia Carrara, which houses a vast collection of Italian art masterpieces from prehistory to the Renaissance, and the Donizetti Museum, dedicated to the renowned Bergamo composer Gaetano Donizetti. Furthermore, the city is surrounded by a delightful landscape, with its green hills, parks, and panoramic trails that offer spectacular views of the city and the surrounding valleys. In summary, Bergamo is a city of authentic beauty that can transport visitors to a medieval atmosphere, offer art, culture, and good food, and provide breathtaking views of the surrounding nature. Pavia. It is a lovely and charming city that surprises visitors with its historical, artistic, and cultural heritage. The city is known for its tranquil and relaxing atmosphere, making it perfect for a romantic stroll or a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Walking through the streets of the historic center, you can admire Pavia's architectural beauties, such as the Romanesque and Gothic cathedral, the Certosa di Pavia, a gem of Italian Renaissance, and the Visconteo Castle, which tells the medieval history of the city. Pavia is also a vibrant and dynamic university city, with a lively student community that brings the streets and venues to life. The youthful and lively atmosphere of the city is contagious and invites you to explore, discover its hidden treasures, and meet interesting people. In summary, Pavia is a city that captures your heart and makes you fall in love with its beauty, culture, and people. Lake Garda. Located between the regions of Lombardy, Trentino, Alto Adige, and Veneto, it is one of Italy's largest and most beautiful lakes. With its 52 kilometers in length, the lake offers visitors a unique experience, with spectacular landscapes, picturesque villages, and outdoor activities. The shores of the lake are characterized by gentle green hills that overlook the azure waters, creating a breathtaking scenery. Among the most beautiful villages on the lake, there are Sirmione, with its thermal baths and medieval castle, and Desenzano del Garda, with its lively streets, bars, and beaches. Lake Garda is also famous for the outdoor activities it offers, including hiking or cycling excursions, water sports like windsurfing and sailing, and sport fishing. Moreover, the lake area is rich in parks and gardens, including the Baia del Sirene Park, which directly overlooks the lake, and the Botanical Garden of Gardone Riviera, a green oasis with plants and flowers from around the world. In summary, Lake Garda is a treasure of Italian nature and culture, offering visitors a complete experience with its spectacular landscapes, outdoor activities, culture, and culinary tradition. Finally, in addition to this top 5, 2 other charming villages in Lombardy deserve mention. We are talking about Sirmione and Varenna. Sirmione is a picturesque village on Lake Garda, famous for its thermal waters and its medieval castle. The town is characterized by narrow streets and alleys, with shops, bars, and restaurants, and offers numerous opportunities for leisure and relaxation on its beaches and in its thermal baths. The Castle of Sirmione, dating back to the 13th century, is an imposing structure that dominates the rocky peninsula on which it stands, offering a breathtaking view of the lake. Varenna, on the other hand, is a picturesque town on Lake Como, known for its colorful houses overlooking the crystal-clear waters of the lake. The town is characterized by narrow streets and alleys winding through the houses, offering numerous opportunities for exploration and discovery. The Visio Castle, located on the hill overlooking the town, offers a spectacular view of the lake and the surrounding mountains. Both cities offer a wide range of activities, including panoramic walks, visits to historical monuments, tasty culinary experiences, boat excursions, and much more. Sirmione and Varenna are therefore unmissable places for anyone who wants to discover the beauty and magic of the Lombard lakes. In conclusion, we hope that this virtual journey has allowed you to discover the beauty and variety of Lombardy. From enchanting lakes to imposing mountains, from art cities to ancient villages, Lombardy offers a unique and unforgettable experience for all who visit. Its culture, history, culinary tradition, and natural wonders are just some of the reasons why Lombardy is one of Italy's most fascinating regions. We invite you to visit these places in person to fully immerse yourself in their beauty and live an authentic and engaging experience. For now, our journey ends here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to us. Follow us in the upcoming videos to discover many more charming and exciting destinations.